And be careful with your back.
These 2 biceps don't work, but
You use the gravy, put it inside.
Salinda ay amor, amor.
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning everything! Happy Thanksgiving sa inyong lahat for sure. Lit na ito guys. Lit na nyo ito nakikita. Thanksgiving. Ano bang nanonood ako kay yung mga kondo-kondo tour. 26. Thursday, November 26. So yun, Thanksgiving dito sa US. I don't know, wala tayong Thanksgiving sa Pinas, di ba? So ngayon, ang gagawin ko guys is maglilinis lang po tayo ng gulay. Kaya nakapag ako. And also, kami lang ni Taming dalawa. So yun, kami lang dalawa. So hindi na ako nagpajama lang ako, lang. So yun, simple lang, pangbahay and then nakapag-makeup. Yun. So good morning. So ngayon, kukunin ko yung mga binili ko, kunti lang mo, tatlong lang ng broccoli rub and also potato. Ibibake ko lang siya guys, yun yung ibibake ko lang siya. And yun, and then later on, ko yung turkey naman yung lulutuin natin. Nakamarinate naman yun, so okay na yun. And then lagyan na lang siya ng butter, yun okay na. But anyway, good morning mga ka-everything, sana po Paskong Pasko kasi pula, di ba? Pasko na naman. Magpatulit ang tanan. So yun, nagsalamin ako guys. Alam nyo ba kung bakit nagsalamin ako? Nag-i-edit ako kanina. Sakit yung mata ko. So hindi ko na kinukuha yung salamin. The broccoli rub. Tammy's favorite gulay. Tammy's favorite vegetables. Some people, some Filipino, when they try this, they don't like it guys. Kasi it's bitter. Bitter. You know what? If you keep cooking it and you keep trying it,
you will like it.
Yeah, it's good. It's really good. I don't like this before too. Everything I like is Filipino food, but when you live here for a long time and then what's your husband eat, you learn to eat.
It's Italian.
But my husband doesn't learn to eat my food.
I can try him, but no, not like you guys like a lot of salty stuff.
Salty. Look at you. You guys like salty too. Cold cuts is salty.
Yeah, not
Pepperoni
like
is salty.
Not like there's a difference between
No.
made with salt.
No, honey, I know the
tastes
difference.
like salt.
No. What? Because you're talking about dried fish. No, that's the only thing that it's like fermented.
I've had that paste too.
You force me on everything.
I don't force you nothing.
Yes, you do. Every time we eat lamb, here, honey, please eat just a little bit. Here,
I had
hon.
you try it a few times. When you said you didn't like it, I had you try different types of lamb. From the leg of lamb, lamb chop. And when you didn't like it, I said, oh, fine, you don't like it. I never forced you to eat it. It wasn't the only thing I gave you. It's not like I didn't give you something else.
No, I never tried cat. Seriously. The thing that I won't eat, guys, is the goat. That I won't eat the goat. People love goat. Some people said they cook it
Would you
good.
eat alligator?
No, they said alligator tastes like chicken.
It doesn't really taste like chicken. I don't know who said that.
They say that. There's a lot of alligator in Florida. But the goat I won't eat.
Texas barbecue, you get alligators.
Oh, no, I have to know. If we go somewhere like that, I need to know what kind of barbecue is that. Because I won't eat alligator. Seriously, they eat human.
We don't eat humans. What are you talking about?
The alligator eat human.
Oh.
What?
How many humans you know are ever eaten by an alligator?
A lot, honey, in Florida, kids. Kalihan, did you cover in there? What did you hear it? Hi guys, nandito po tayo. Ano tayo guys? Nanonood kami ng Jurassic. Yung Jurassic Park na pinakahuli na talaga, di ba? Maraming version yun. Parang maging So, yun yung lutuin natin. Magluto lang ako kasi lutuin ko na itong maaga kasi magluto pa ako mamaya, diba? And then, lutuin ko pa to. Madali lang naman ito. Parisan ko lang ito ng ano bang iparis ko dito? Carrots. Masarap itong carrots with onion and garlic. Natutulog lang si Tammy. Ganyan man yan si Tammy kapag nasa bahay lang. Gusto niyang mag-relax. Tulog. So, ngayon, it's time to, it's time to wash this. Kasi, i-bake natin ito. Ano ng oras? It's 2:16 na, 2:16 na ng hapon. And then, ikakat natin. And then, i-bake. Mag-cut pa din ako ng carrots. I-mix nito ba. Tika muna guys. Nanonood pa ako. Hindi pa tapos yung pinapanood namin. So, panoorin lang ko lang siya. And, anyway, bakit ako sleepy? Hindi ko alam. Mahina yung tulog ko kagabi. Uy, every night na lang talaga mahina itong tulog ko. Ano ng oras, guys? Hindi ako nag-vlog. Almost 4 o'clock na. Hindi ako nag-vlog. Nag-ano lang ako doon, nag-upo. Hindi ko ginawa yung ko. Iwan ko na lang, guys. Ko lang siya, i-cut ni half. And then, i-bake. Magmukbang tayo mamaya, guys. Magmukbang tayo kung kung okay ba yung natin. I-try natin yung first time kong magluto ng turkey wings. So, sabi pa nila masarap daw. So, ngayon, ang ilagay ko lang is paminta, guys. Lagyan natin ng oil. Olive oil, guys. Yun. Not too much. And thyme. Hindi lang marami kasi ayaw ko ng marami. And then, itong Weber na garlic parmesan na seasoning. Panggulay talaga siya. Garlic. And then, lastly, is onion. Salt. Konting salt. I-mix lang natin siya ng maigi para ma-mix yung ilagay natin dito. Ilagyan natin ng konting oil more. What's your plan, Han?
What?
What's your plan?
I'll check some ice.
Okay. Gonna add a little bit more salt. I-bake. I'm gonna...
Look who's staring at you.
Huh? He's hungry, honey. Look at that face,
It's only
huh?
it's not even 4 o'clock.
I know, but that face.
It's all the same face.
It's just about the face, about the face. No trouble. I'm all about the face, no baboy. So, ito yung gamitin natin para sa gulay. And then, spray. Sprayhan natin para hindi siya magdikit-dikit mamaya. Mga 400 degree. Yun. And tapos na itong broccoli rub. And so, ito na siya, guys. Yung natin. So, yun siya. And, kung Pyrex yung ninyo, nilagay sa refrigerator, and then, preheated na yung oven, i-transfer niyo siya sa mga ganito. Or sa ganito pa rin, pero hindi maginaw. Kasi maginaw ito. Ang maginaw at ang init, magka-crack ito, mabiak. Na-try ko na yan, guys, once. I think na-film ko nga yun eh. Sa oven ba yun? Basta, ang init at saka maginaw. Kung preheated na yung oven ng 400 degree, wala akong bra, guys. And then, ilagay nyo to, magka-crack ito dahil ginaw. Siya na-transfer na natin. Lagyan natin siya ng butter. Ito, hold on. Tignan nyo yung asawa ko, ha. Look. Daming lights. And this one is not in outdoor. This is indoor. We bought this for indoor. Marami pa, guys. As in, hindi pa ito, guys. Marami pang lights dito pa. Yan. Be careful with your back.
These 2 white sets don't work, but one of them at least is missing a bowl, so I'm sure.
Okay, I'm gonna start cooking that we can eat early. Margarine ito, guys. Konti-konti lang sa ibabaw. Konting oil. Yun siya. Yun na. Nilagay ko na sa oven yung dalawa. So, yun na. Hintayin na lang natin. And, hugas tayo ng pinggan. Pinggan. As in, sobrang nakakasad nga yung ano. Yung mga bahay-bahay. Walang mga tao. So, yun. Nagluluto ako. Nilabas ko lang yung ano, guys. Yung potato. Nilabas ko na siya, guys. Yun. Luto naman siya. I think. Luto na siya kasi look, soft naman. Pero ibalik ko yan siya mamaya kapag ready na yung luto na siya. Madali lang pala ito lutuin, guys. So, ibalik ko to siya sa oven mamaya. Tapos na yan. Look. Ipi-flip ko yung mamaya. Para malasa talaga siya. Look. Bumili ako ng gravy. Turkey, roasted turkey. Para naman pansoy. Gravy. Time check. It is 5 o'clock, guys. Maaga pa. Pero sobrang dilim na sa labas. As in, gustong-gusto ko yung mga gravy-gravy, guys. Kunin natin ito. Ito siya. Initin ko lang ito siya. Ilagay natin dito para mainit mamaya, diba? Ako gusto ko talaga ng gravy. Pati itong potato, lagyan natin ng gravy kasi masarap talaga. So, yun. Initin natin siya. Medium lang. Low heat. He's watching, guys. He's hungry. You're hungry. Oh, poor little boy. Dadas, ano, guys, nag-ano sa pagkain ng issue. Hello, oh, this is not good like this is standing like that. I will cut my finger. I love him. I love him so much. It's just the two of us here. I love you.
Me too. Come on, kids.
Come on, kids. Come on. Kinuha ko na tong pinakadulo ng wings kasi walay napapagid. Adoy, ginoo ko. Muntik nang mahulog, napapagid. Ito siya. Ito yun siya, guys. Gusto ni Tami pala, nakalimutan ko, na gustong-gusto pala niya itong potato na crunchy. Gusto niya na crunchy yan. And then, yun yung ano natin. Nano ko lang siya para naman ano. Sunog naman ito. Oy, Tami, I think it doesn't need to be really, I know you want crunchy.
Yeah.
But it doesn't go crunchy na.
Okay.
It's better to eat that potato, not that burnt one. Okay, guys, right here. Lagyan na natin siya ng gravy. Look at our dinner, honey. Why the shadow is in me? There you go. My baby. Bang tayo, guys. That's all, Han. Is that okay with you?
I don't know what that is, baby.
Yes, Han, you need that. I want this too. Tommy was drinking he was drinking a scotch. Hopefully this broccoli is hot. Looks like it's hot. Okay, let's try the turkey. Let's see if it's yummy. You know what? This is a finger kind of food. Turkey wings. It's a finger food. And you know what you're gonna do? You use the gravy, put it inside. And now it's hot.
Gravy is usually for the white meat of turkey.
This is white. Oh, look, did you see that?
This is dark meat.
Look, but this is white.
Wings and legs are dark meat.
Well, you know what? Gravy is good with everything. You put it in everything, it's good. I like it. The gravy. I put chili in there. Spicy a little bit. The turkey. Kind of spicy and it's bite. I need salt with that. There's a lot of turkey for sale in Market 32.
Yeah, because Thanksgiving was canceled.
You're like, yeah.
I'm sure they were selling them cheap.
The thing is, I don't know how to cook the whole turkey. How you can do it? Do you need gravy?
You put it in the oven and you keep basting.
You want gravy? It's so good, the gravy with
I'll
it.
try with the gravy a little bit.
I know they put something inside of the turkey when you cook, right? I think that's the stuffing. So it's gonna be mushy. I guess Dimples doesn't eat, huh? Dimples.
And her loss.
The skin has become so crunchy that it's really fatty. You know, I've been here for how many years, guys? And every time people gathered in his family, no one really gobble the wings. No one is really like enjoying it. Or maybe they're just embarrassed. What? Because you have to use your hand. What? Like this. Oh. That's why sometimes people take them out like I do. In the end of the day, in the night, I bring it home and pretend like it's for my dog. But when I get home, I'll eat it. Not all the time. Sometimes I take it. Sometimes me. There's more. We still have more.
Yeah.
Anyway, hanap tayo ng soda. Kasi guys, hindi ako makadugab. Oh my God. Hanap tayo. So, bakit ano to? Ang hinahanap ko is iba. Iba man ang andito. Bakit iba ang andito? Oh, ginger ale. Ginger ale na lang. Ay, ito na lang yung ininom. Orange sana yung gusto ko. Anong sa bismint? Ayoko ng orange. Hindi ako makadug-ab. Sabi ko, inom nga ako ng soda. Nag-take na ako ng thumbstack. Thumbstack. Anyway, so yun. So, inom tayo ng soda para makapag-dug-ab. Kasi sumakit yung tiyan ko. Kasi hindi ako maka-burp. And then, I just realized na ano na pala. Almost 9 o'clock na ng gabi. And, kailangan ko lang ng soda, inom. And then, punta tayo sa taas. Magbihis lang tayo. Magbihis tayo. Ano ganyan. It's been a long time na hindi ako uminom. Hindi talaga ako mahilig uminom ng soda noon talaga. Grabe. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Sabi ko, masama sa pataktawan. Why the orange container? No, why the orange container is I keep taking out. I said, why is it ginger ale inside? Did you put ginger ale in orange container?
Yeah, well, I got half a box because it's mixed. Whatever's in there is mixed.
No, that's really not it.
It's not all ginger ale. If you go down to the bottom of the other ones.
Come here, right here.
Because I canned it up and I put some on top of it.
Okay, guys, he's here because we're gonna end the vlog together.
Hi, guys.
We didn't say happy Thanksgiving to them.
That's true. Happy Thanksgiving. Well, what's left of it.
Yeah.
To those of you who celebrate it, we know that there is no Thanksgiving in the Philippines.
But there
because
is
it's a strictly American kind of holiday.
Yeah.
But happy Thanksgiving anyway.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy sa vlog ngayong araw. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys.
Guys.
Good night,
What's so
guys.
funny?
Good night, guys.